Hi friends, welcome to another Read Aloud with Mr. Ward. So for today's story, it's another one from the book series of Clifford the Big Red Dog, and this one is called Clifford at the Circus. I'm Emily Elizabeth, and I have a dog named Clifford. We saw a sign that said the circus was in town. A smaller sign said the circus needed help. We always wanted to join the circus. We ran there as fast as Clifford could run. The owner said everything was going wrong. He didn't think they could put on a show. I told him Clifford and I would help him. He didn't think a girl and her dog could be much help. But I said, the show must go on. The first problem was the lions and the tigers. They wouldn't obey the animal trainer. Clifford gave them a command. They listened to Clifford. After that, the animal trainer didn't have to worry anymore. Some clowns had quit the circus. The other clowns needed help with their act. I was sure Clifford could help. Clifford tried on some costumes. He found one he liked and joined the act. Clifford enjoyed being a clown. He wagged his tail. That made the act even better. Oh man, there's so many pies going everywhere. The tightrope walker had a sprained ankle. Clifford tried to walk the tightrope. He was pretty good. It wasn't his fault that he couldn't get off the ground. He's too heavy for it. Before the next act, we walked out on the midway. Clifford loves cotton candy. He sniffed it. He sniffed a little too hard. Licking the cotton candy off his nose made him thirsty. He took a drink. The circus man tried to stop him. Uh-oh, what's he drinking out of? It was too late. Clifford had spoiled the high diver's act. But he didn't spoil the high diver. Whew, that was close. The second half of the circus began with the elephants on parade. The biggest elephant had a cold in its nose and couldn't lead the parade. So Clifford slipped into an elephant suit and gave them a hand. A tail. The next act was the human cannonball. She didn't have any gunpowder for her cannon, so Clifford helped her out. He helped her right out of the tent. Then came the grand finale. I was going up in a balloon with the circus man. Everyone came out to watch. Oh dear, the rope broke. I didn't worry. I knew Clifford would save us. He rushed to the rescue, but he missed the rope. We were blowing away. Things looked bad. Clifford didn't give up. He grabbed an extra tent pole. He used some telephone wire and took aim. What's he doing? Bullseye! The balloon was falling like a rock. We were scared silly. Oh, we popped the balloon to get it down, but now it's going to come down too fast. But Clifford got there in time. Good old Clifford. Everybody said it was the most exciting end a circus ever had. Clifford saved the show and me. I really enjoy the Big Red Dog Clifford stories. These are fun. What an adventure to be in the circus. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hi friends, so for today's activity I'm going to try to layer liquids. This is a science experiment. So each one of these is heavier or lighter than the other. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and keep them separated as I layer them into this glass. So I got a clear glass so that we could try and see through it. I have no idea if this is going to work, and I have no idea if I'm going to put it in the right order. I have water, but I colored it red, so when you see it in here I have red dye in it. Dish soap, pancake syrup, and cooking oil. And I'm going to pour them in there. I'm going to try and put the heaviest one I think is heaviest first, and then just keep going from there. I think water is probably the lightest. I think maybe dish soap is really heavy, because see how hard it is to move it around? So I'm going to put some blue dish soap in first. Okay. Now you can see the blue on the bottom. Now let's see. I'm going to try pancake syrup next. Oh, look at it. It's sinking underneath the soap. And I thought it would sit on top. So now I know that pancake syrup is heavier than soap. Do you see that? That was interesting. Okay, so we have soap and pancake syrup done. Now I'm going to try the oil. Now do you think the oil will stay on the top, go in the middle, or go on the bottom? I'm going to guess it goes on the top. It did! It's still kind of separating out from the soap, but look, it's on top of the blue soap. Alright, moment of truth. My last one is the red water. Oh, it made quite a mess of things, didn't it? It looks like it's trying to go underneath the oil, because I see yellow oil on top, and then I see the red water, the blue soap, and the brown syrup. Very beautiful. See what you have at home and see if you can make a nice, beautiful layered liquids. I'll see you next time. Bye.